In this video, we are going to see how we can easily do a split screen in Google Chrome and how we can use Google Chrome on one side and on other side, maybe some other window or maybe some other browser tab on the other side. So if you want to open two websites side by side, here's what you can do. First of all, just open up Google Chrome because we're taking an example of that, and just hold the window key on your keyboard and just press the left arrow key or wherever you want to place the first screen. So I'll just hold window key and press the left arrow key. And make sure that when you hold the window key, don't just press one time. You might need to hold it a little bit as well. So as soon as I press left arrow key, you will see that it's already adjusted the screen on the left. On the right, we have the choice whatever we want to open. So let's say that we want to open a trading application. We can open it like that. Or otherwise, let's say that we want to open something else. So in that case, what you can do is just open up the new tab, click on plus sign, and then just drag it over to the right. You can again select the new tab. And now we have this open side by side. You can easily use this. And similarly, let's say that we want to adjust this browser window to the right. In that case, just hold the window key and just press the right arrow key. Here it will be adjusted towards right, and on the left we can open any side of it. Let's say Audacity. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can do a split screen easily on your PC or on your laptop. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.